her naked feminine splendor, brilliant like roses, piercing as I see her dreams slip in, engaged in flirtation, creeping as my soul hears her story, slithering between happiness and screams of pain, working its way in undisguised, without knowing its meaning, as a strong breeze, then waltz, turns on my stripped tongue. My fingers pry open her doors, pulsing strong enough to ride the essence of her soul, tied together in triumphs, with my emancipation fearless. Bitter truths wage like waters, like the most frigid rain, revealing, then transcending time, as I stand before her, naked, where proudly I stand as man. That stripped time will be entwined within an unvarnished warmer soul, taking in the splendor of heaven, wondrously taking control, warming the once frigid cold. Bitter thoughts that once froze, warms itself where I wonder. My lips keep passion I cannot speak, as my mouth remains pure as the day we began, naked into undisguised souls. Dreams of warmth dance naked, feeling life soak into every pore, where minds are not broken bottles, making the feet of souls cry burning wounds, where souls release darkness into tranquility through ceremonies and dancing, never losing the unadorned song, never losing the final translation, for I have written it unpretentious from the austere surface of nakedness. The thought of her makes me forget my ego, while effortless vitality washes over me, with sweating skin flowing over concrete. Her flesh reminds me of greenery, soft and smooth as petals of a white rose. I write her feminine beauty down as it unfolds, not inventing, but patenting exquisiteness, following the mind streams that run over asphalt, where water finds its way to my eye on her splendor, to the intense eternity of nakedness. Beauty invokes emotions upside down, bending inside ungodly passion, intensifying forbidden desire of pretty words, on a lover coiled in crimson of flames, standing lyrical against the door. I write of her natural profile and smile, where fingers interlock caressing desire, blushing in concentrated radiance, craving the powerful relish boundless, sequestering its innocence. She is like the sapphire glow of a flame. Each touch burns like eager assaults, yielding exposure, searing into my skin. Smoky eyes burn inside a taunting stare, having no cultivated composure, for subdued resistance is in vain. Our passion is eyes closed but not subdued. Control is lips agape, never resisting, when naked in the eyes of the other. The warmth rises like nudity in waters, submerged deep with humble passion, where legs become intertwined. All beauty is racing, entirely unassuming, fleeting breath increasing, sharpening pleasures unfolding, surrendering all egotistical will. Souls collide like massive rolls of thunder, gripping in other arms no longer egocentric, able to be naked in the eyes of a lover. I do not want to open my eyes when afraid that the dreams will pass, like a ruthless storm wrapped in ugliness, like a callous dream outside the mind. I do not want to open my eyes when afraid that the dreams will pass, like a ruthless storm wrapped in ugliness, like a callous dream outside the mind. Presently passion passes through the night, when naked fingers claw at another, searching for traction to achieve progress, needing an anchor to reduce the friction of truth all around and deep inside, where there is no nakedness to hide. She shines through like a painting, laying naked in the meadows, with insightful eyes squeezed shut, with her sensitive mouth slightly agape. Beautiful like the slow, sultry colors, lasting like the elevated boil of blood, moving to uplifting rhythm, frolicking, colorful like the sensual sway of her womanhood, unable to contain the naked body heat. Fast-coming passion erupts like lava. Smiles creep into places of unusual sensitivity, romping in ecstasy romantically. Frivolous fun and innocent experiments abound, feeling expressive nakedness in veins, inside the humidity of the night, inside the tempo of music echoing. Grace laces fingers and locked lips, as two naked bodies become one, fitting perfectly by words and real time, as we continue to be.